Welcome to Skedler. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to create and schedule your Kibana reports with Skedler. To set a new data source, go to the Data Sources tab, click on Create Data Source, and choose Kibana. You just need to fill in some basic information such as the Kibana URL and the Elastic URL. And if you have any type of authentication for Kibana, click Yes and choose the type of authentication. We offer options such as XPack, SearchGuard, Security Onion, or OpenSearch, amongst others. Next, choose the type of authentication privilege for end users. Now, let's create your first report. Go to the Reports tab and choose the type of report you want. For this demo, we'll select Visual Report. Simply choose the data source, organization, and dashboard from which you want to create your report. You can choose from two types of reports, the snapshot or the smart layout. For this example, let's click on the smart layout. Now click Continue and start creating your report. Skedler offers the option of predefined or custom-made templates for your reports. To start, choose one predefined template, and you're all set to start crafting your report. With the drag and drop option, you can create your reports within minutes with all the information you need. Once customized, click Preview to see how your report will look. If everything looks good, then click Next to set a schedule. Now, you just have to select the recurrence and frequency of your report. Skedler offers multiple options. You can send your reports through email, Slack, or Amazon S3 bucket. Select the contacts who will be receiving the report and add some final details. Your report is ready. They will be sent automatically to the set recipients per the defined schedule. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you still have questions, contact us as hello@skedler.com. We'll be happy to assist you.